All right, guys, you're welcome to 2024. This is Trader Cbran here, and I want to welcome you to our first video forecast on currency pairs, forex trading pairs that we're doing for 2024. This is week 02. This is week 2, and I want to welcome everyone. Now, listen, in this week 2 is I personally made up my mind I was going to start trading from the second week, which is what we are starting this very week, this Sunday. And I'm going to be getting to be trading from tomorrow, which is Monday, and looking at opportunities to rake in some money. I hope everyone, they are all ready to make some money this year. Last year was a very good opportunity for us. We made several tons of profits here and there, which was also one of the beautiful year that we were able to round up with some great 7-figure accounts trading over the time that we'll be expecting it. So we thank God for that. And we are now moving to the next level. So this year, we're going to be trading more than even hopefully to trade up to 8-figure or who knows, up to 9-figure or 10-figure, depending on the market and opportunity that we're giving. So now I want to start with Euro USD analysis. So as you can see on my chart, this is Euro USD. What is the forecast for the pair? What are we expecting to trade on this pair from tomorrow? Now we can see, just to be straight to the point without spending more time, we can see that the market has given us a very bullish bias on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see that the market gave us a drop here, all the way here, and then rally back up all the way here. So if we were to take the trend from here, you can notice what the market did over here and rally up and rally up and rally up, and then came all the way down, acting as though it's going to change pattern, but rally up again to create a new high, pull back and rally up, and then pull back again into the zone. And I am expecting the market to pull back up. Now, this is what I'm seeing on Euro USD. It is an uptrend because you have to look at the higher lows that the market is creating at the bottom. So we are still very bullish right here, as you can see. Now, this is beautiful. Now, one of the two I use for my confirmation of directional bias is the Edge Finder Pro. Now, let me just show you obviously we can see that GU is bullish, so I'll come to that in a minute. Let's go to Euro USD. We can see now Euro USD is bullish as well, so that means we are bullish. That's a confirmation that we are bullish on both pairs. So let's go back to the chart now. Looking at this, we can tell that we are buying. So we're looking for buys. Whatever the case would be, we're looking for buys on Euro USD. So let me just show you a clear picture of what to expect, depending on what strategy you're trading. Okay, depending on what strategy you are trading. Let's see. So first of all, now we can see a very strong drop momentum that happened here. All right, strong drop, and then we have an M pattern being formed. So I'm expecting price to rally back up this very week. But depending on the strategy you trade, for those of you who trade the first strategy, but this is not a downtrend market. This is an uptrend market. Okay, so let's see. Now, for those of you that understand my trading strategy, I will just try to show you what I'm looking for. Right there, I can see that the market gives us the high, and then we have this recent low here. So let's see. We have a bridge of liquidity here. Definitely, we have a bridge of liquidity here. So this one will give us obviously a reversal pattern on that level. But remember, we are bullish. So that means, what this means is that the market is selling already. Okay, and I'm looking for high probability trade in my trading, so I wouldn't want to have let me see. So I'm looking at based on momentum. So if you were to follow the momentum right now, you should be looking at, okay, it's a buy market. So what is high probability? High probability means that I'm trading with the momentum. I'm going to be looking for opportunity that the price will going to give me to trade with the momentum. So depending on your strategy, I should be looking for buys, not sells. But already what I see here is that the market is telling me that there is a reversal to the downside. So the market may want to drop a little bit lower to this level. And the truth is, will it come all the way down here and bounce off this trend line and go back up to take out this liquidity overall, which is already sweep, that liquidity sweep there? Or will it continue up from maybe coming down a little bit, maybe a little bit, and then do this? Okay, so that's what I'm thinking that the market is doing. So for that reason, what does this mean? It's just a signal telling me that the market is reversing. So I can trade both ways. The market is no more in the discount level. I mean, the premier level is heading towards the discount level. So at this low, I'll be looking for opportunity to buy that will follow the momentum. So for me, I'm looking for more buys on Euro USD. I'm looking for more buys. I'm be expecting price to come to this low. And if you check, let me see if I could just put the fib there for a moment and do this. All right, as you can see, that is a interest key area that we should be looking for opportunity for price to bounce off. And then I'll be looking for opportunity to long, all right, from here on Euro USD and target that high right there. So that's what I'm looking for as a first trade for the week. Now, remember, this is 4-hour time frame. Doesn't mean that I'm going to be trading on the 4-hour. I'm going to go down to lower time frame, look for my entries. But I'm just showing you the possibility of having at least 112 or 115 pips in the first week of, the second week of January, which is a good start. I mean, imagine you're catching 112 pips in 1 week. That is a whole lot of money, depending on the lot size that you're using. But for me, I mean, that can be like $11,000. That can be like $10,000. That can be like $8,000. That can be like $12,000. That can be like anything. You know what I mean? So depending on what you're trading like. But this is exactly what I'm looking at on Euro USD to trade on. I hope that is clear and everyone understand that. But if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. If you have any concern, listen, you know where to reach us. Our link is in the description of this video. You can reach us anywhere on our trading lab, on our Telegram, on whatever. Okay, get in touch. You get to get your, whatever curiosity you have, we'll try and help you out on that. So now, what if a price push up from there and never come down? Well, we could look for opportunity to sell, but it's not a strong momentum. It's not with the momentum. So we want to trade with the momentum. So that is for Euro USD. Let's go to GU. Now on GU, we still have bullish movement. Let's see. We're still bullish again. Like I said, we already saw it on the H finder. We're bullish. So but we have the market trading within the box here, like a kind of consolidation zone. All right, so we can see that the market is trading like in that box right here, and just went in there. But if you check, it's a break of the previous high, to the upside. So we can see that this is like uptrend right there. Okay, rallying up. And if you check the bottom, we can see that we're going up. So we're still very bullish on GU. Okay, so let's see. Okay. So now let me show you something here. Now I'm zooming in inside the box. How do we trade inside this box this week? It's still bullish, as we can tell. So first of all, I see that the market came all the way down and gave us this high. There was a previous swing high here that hasn't been broken. This was the previous one. That was a previous swing high, and that led to this swing low. Okay, so we can see that we have equal low here. Okay, right here. Okay, there happened to be a little breach there, but it's still the same, lined up with that low. Okay, yeah, line up with that low, which is equal low right there. Now look at this. What happened? All right, the market swing the low, take out this breach there, and then created this low, which is liquidity. And then this drop, I want to mark this. This drop that happened is what we're looking at. What does that mean to us? As you can see, it took out this previous low here. So this is the bridge of liquidity that was current, that led to that low, this low that we have here. So this low that is still valid, and this high that is still valid. So we have this drop that happened, and this is the low. This push down here is what I'm measuring here, and that is the bridge of the fractal. So at that level right here, what am I looking for? I'm looking for opportunity. What did it tell me? This kind of break, and then we have a closure. So we have a situation here. So the candle that finally closed below, you can see that this candle didn't close as a body below the previous candle. Rather, it closed as equally, and then another candle opened and closed below it. So eventually it turns to follow through to the downside. So what that means is a sell movement. So it's like the market is trying to be, it's trying to change momentum. That means it's beginning to create a lower highs, lower lows. Do you understand? That's what it's telling us. It's telling us that the market is changing from the upside. But if you were to look at it this angle, let's say, let me just take off this trend line. If you were to look at it from this angle, that would be something like this. You know what I mean? So he's telling us, based on this trade, that the market is beginning to shift momentum to the downside. That's what that means. It's telling us that we should start looking for sell, but we are bullish based on momentum. But the directional bias is telling us that, oh, we want to start looking for opportunity to sell because the market is changing its direction. But it's not. We want to trade with the momentum, which is the bullish momentum. So we want to be able to see opportunities for the bullish momentum. So at the moment, what do we look for? Okay, let me take out this box, and then we now have this gang box put in here, and then we're looking at discount and premium level. So what is it telling us? If it is not follow through, it also means that we could counter this sell, counter here, not follow through, which is a sell here. Okay, which obviously is an opportunity for us to look for sell at this level. So we could sell because that's what it's telling us. We could sell here because we could see a strong rejection on the top side, and then price may come back to this zone, and then something like this may happen because the market is still bullish. So it might reverse and start going up. So a little bit shady right now on GU, okay, but it's something that you should look forward to. Let's assume you wake up in the morning and tomorrow morning you discover that price is already somewhere around here. Then I would say you should be looking for opportunity to buy the market as long as it's not bridging this low. Every moment, based on your strategy, every moment you find to buy, you want to look for opportunity to buy. For instance, this is a swing low to the swing high. So you want to see where price will come within this zone, and then it rejects, and you want to look for opportunity to buy. All right, because it's a bullish momentum. But at the moment, that's what is showing to us. And so remember, Euro USD already want to correlate with GU. So we have to look at that angle as well. So, but based on follow through that he gave us, which is a sell market, we need to be careful trading this, because at the end of the day, the market may sell a little bit or even play around there. But this is a very strong sell zone. So that's a demand, a very strong supply zone there, and we're looking at supply and demand at that level. We're looking at this market going to sell off any moment from now, so we should be very careful. If we can catch that sell, we can catch the buy. So watch out for price coming around this low, and you want to look for opportunity to smash the buy. I think that's exactly what I'm going to be looking for. Otherwise, I'll just wait for a proper structure where the market can actually give me a high momentum. I'm a high probability trade based on my trading plan. So I already have a trading plan that I'm looking at with high probability trade I'm going to be focusing on. So with that, this is what I'm looking for on GU as well. So to trade with the momentum, sometimes the buyers might tell you that the market is shifting. So when the buyers tell you that the market is shifting from bullish to bearish, you need to be very careful, because the momentum will catch up later, but the buyers, directional buyers, will be the first to announce a shift. That means shift in structure, market structure, breakups, market structure, all of those things start coming in. So you need to pay attention to that. So this is exactly what I'm looking for on this pair this week. These two pairs, so I'm going to be watching to see what's going to happen. If they give me opportunity to buy, I'm going to buy. So there are key things I'm looking for around this area when price come down to at the 15 minutes level. I will just be looking for that range to see if the market is going to give me the opportunity to get in around this level. So that's what I'll be looking for. And then there are things I will look for those of you in the trading lab and the trading team. You know what we're doing. We just wait for the opportunity to get in, and that's what we're looking for. But everyone here, you have your strategy. So I'm just saying the directional bias is bullish, the momentum is bullish. We should be looking forward to buy the market upward. Okay, so that's what we're looking at on Euro USD and GU. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Listen, this is a new year. I hope you're ready to smash the market, get serious this time. Don't play around. Listen, this is time to sit up and learn what you need to learn to become profitable in the market. I'll see you in another video, which is going to be fabulously educational and instructive. So get ready for that. And that is not going to be a forecast. This is going to be very, very entertaining and educative video that I'm going to be sending your way. So ensure you hit the subscribe button, ensure you hit the like button, ensure you are watching the videos. All right. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. The links are in the description of this video below. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Bye.